Good morning, class. Today we're working on Reader's Notebook, Lesson 22. We have pages 315, reference materials, and 316, which is a crossword puzzle. Reference materials. It says read each sentence carefully. Circle the choice that is the most accurate synonym for the underlined word. Use a dictionary and thesaurus if needed. So you can look the words up online if you need to. But when we're looking at synonyms, remember, those are words with the same or similar meanings. Number 1, Omachias had to stay calm during her encounter with the bear. We have the word stay. Does stay mean support, remain, or stick? Well, we know that a synonym for stay is remain. So you can go ahead and circle the word remain. Let's look at number 2 together. The patter of the hail hitting the roof was loud. So we're looking for a synonym for patter. Is that chatter, speech, or tap? And a synonym for patter is tap. So if you pat something, if you think about patting your hand on your knee, that's pat, patter. And a synonym for that would be tap. Number 3, the horse could be distinguished by the blaze on his nose. And we're looking for a synonym for the word blaze. Is that going to be light, stripe, or proclaim? Okay, so that blaze, oftentimes we think of a fire, but in this case, it's going to be the stripe on his nose. You can go ahead and complete 4 through 8 on your own. Numbers 9 through 10, it says write an original sentence for both meanings of the word. And we have the word bluff below. And we have the word bluff as in the act of deceiving. You oftentimes hear people refer to bluff in the act of deceiving as when people bluff at cards. When you're trying to make the people you're playing against think your hand is better than it actually is. And then we have the word bluff, a steep cliff, okay, which is what we have around Helena. We have bluffs where there's steep cliffs that drop off. So you just need to create any sentence you would like using the word bluff with the correct meaning for 9 and 10. You can go ahead and pause the video here and resume when you're ready to move to page 316. All right, page 316 says complete the puzzle by writing the basic word for each clue. So you're only using in this the basic words, which is number 1 through 20. You can go ahead and put an extra, this challenge piece at the bottom. What you're going to do is look at your word puzzle up above, and we have words that go across here and words that go down over here. And for number 5, we have growing in a certain place. And when we look through our words here, we can see growing in a certain place. And that's going to be the word native. When we think about the word native, sometimes we think about people, but native means that it's original to this area. So growing in a certain place, okay, is native. We have native plants in the area. Here, 5 across, you're going to write native, N-A-T-I-V-E. I wrote that really small and it's a little bit hard to read. So native, and that's 5 across. And now that I found that, I'm going to put a line through it. Okay, then I'm going to go to the next one and I'm going to say, okay, 8 across says a family member. And now I need to look for 8 across, and it's right here, 8 across. And that's going to be a relative, which is number 4, relative. R-E-L-A-T-I-V-E. Relative. And then you have the whole list of the words that go down here, and you can go ahead and complete your crossword puzzle. When you finish, please make sure you take a picture of your assignments, attach them, upload it in Teams, and turn it in. Thank you.